Hello, thanks for watching 3DCERAM Inside. Today we are talking about printing strategy on C3600 Ultimate. The C3600 Ultimate is the latest printing machine of 3DCERAM, with a bigger build platform of 600 by 600 mm. You can print ceramic parts with a maximum height of 300 mm. On the laser front, the C3600 is equipped with 4 continuous heating lasers, which allow to print more parts in a suitable time for production thanks to the galvanometric heads, which move faster and keep high precision. In other words, it divides by 4 the time required for laser treatment compared to a printer with only one laser. Having several lasers leaves an opening for the organization and work share of the lasers. You can choose with CPS, in-house printing software developed for our machine, to assign one laser for each quarter of the build platform, or allow the lasers to work all over the printing area of the build platform, what we call the brush strategy. The brush strategy requires an excellent calibration of the laser, which is done at the installation of the printer. The brush strategy suits perfectly for the production of big parts as a 600 mm mirror. It limits the risk to generate stitching marks on the parts at the border between two areas. But mostly it allows a better work sharing between lasers if you have asymmetric or not centered parts, which means an optimized printing time. On the other hand, the areas strategy, one area per lasers, suits better for production of many small parts or medium parts. When you choose this strategy to print with one laser assigned to each area, you will use the specific parameter we developed in CPS called interlacing. Then you will have a small and controlled overlaps of the laser and then avoid this stitching mark on your parts. All is made to make the printing and the quality of the parts as optimized as possible. With this industrial 3D printer, the C3600 Ultimate, dedicated to the mass customization. Thanks for watching and leave your comments there.